Good afternoon everyone, this is Tom here, M7CTA, new license, and this video is to supplement the write-up on the website. But what you see in front of you here is the finished and complete transformer isolated and filtered power supply using my own dedicated earth. Excuse the dodgy wiring, this is just temporary demonstration. That enables use of a clean and isolated and not bonded to mains dedicated earth rod to connect to your radio equipment. So from the top, that's the mains from the house, just a standard 13 amp plug. We go into the filter, which has got that off-the-shelf EMI filter and the large Mix 31 clamp with several wines on it. Goes into the transformer primary, and then out of the transformer transformer secondary, you've got just a standard plug outlet with the earth lifted, so it's only carrying live and neutral. There's a few ferrites on that just for good measure, and this goes into the neutral to earth bond. You see on my particular build here, I've used solar PV cable with MC4 connectors, which allows me to move it easily between a couple of different locations where I've got earth points. Outside of the neutral to earth bond, we go into these RCD protected double socket. Now, if you can see here, the LEDs are blinking, but they're not when you're not on camera. But 2 lit up on the right, that's a correct configuration. And I've got my meter plugged into the socket here. You see live to neutral, we've got mains voltage. Live to earth, mains voltage again. And earth to neutral, as expected, 0 volts. And if we do a quick RCD test, there we go. Just tripped the RCD. Reset that. And there we go. If we just pull that out, I've got a 2 kilowatt fan heater over here. And that's running. Now putting 2000 watts through this setup. So there you go. This is just a quick video to supplement the write-up on the website, which explains everything in detail. But what this essentially does is give you a brand new fresh entity of live and neutral, galvanically isolated from your PME supplied mains, that you can bond with your own dedicated clean earth, which won't need to be bonded with the PME bond point at the incomer, and yeah, guess about as clean as you want.